Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to edit photos in Google Gemini AI. So to start with, you need to upload your photo and you have a few options here. So in a new chat, you're going to click on the plus icon and you have the opportunity to upload photos from your photos folder, from your drive, or upload files from your computer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on upload files, click on my downloads and upload a photo I have there. Then you have a few different options for editing. So I can give Gemini specific prompts for an edit I want on the photo, but I can also click on the photo and do some editing that way. So you can click on the draw icon and then choose a color, and then I can draw on the photo. I can also type onto the photo in different colors as well by clicking on the T and then writing on the photo. If you don't like anything, click on the undo, the back icon, and then we can go back to the main chat. So I can do things like change colors or the background in the photo with specific prompts. So I'm going to ask Gemini to change the color of the lady's bikini to, let's say, red. And Gemini should go ahead and do that. So it might take a few seconds for that to happen, depending on how good your internet is. But anyway, Gemini will do it eventually. And then I can do things, I can even change the background, which I'll show you in a second. So there we go. Gemini has changed the lady's bikini from blue to red. And really cool thing is you can even change like whole backgrounds or make them lighter or darker. Let me ask Gemini about the background. So change, and I'll say remove the sea background and replace it with grassy hills. So Gemini will go ahead and completely remove that background and give me a completely new grassy background, which is kind of cool. And you can add in anything you want. If you want it to be like a space background or a busy shopping mall background, Gemini can do absolutely anything you want. So let's see if it comes up with a good background. So there you go. You can see it's been changed to a grassy background in just a few seconds. So there's loads more you can do with the photo editing. I just say go ahead and play about with it. And I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.